In the vast, endless ocean, a young porpoise named Pippin swam. As the sun set, casting a golden hue across the water, Pippin practiced his signature leap. One day, Pippin leapt higher than he ever had before, and the water shimmered with his brilliance. But as he soared, a strange thing happened. He could hear a faint melody that seemed to come from the very depths of the ocean. Intrigued, Pippin dived deeper, his heart pounding with excitement. He followed the melody, his sleek form cutting through the water. As he reached the bottom, he found a hidden cave, its entrance adorned with iridescent pearls. Inside the cave, the melody grew louder. Pippin swam into a grand chamber, where he saw a gathering of the oldest and wisest porpoises of the ocean. "Who are you?" asked the eldest porpoise, his voice resonating with the melody. "Why have you come?" Pippin was taken aback, but he knew he had to answer truthfully. "I heard your music, and I followed it here. I wanted to learn its secret." The eldest porpoise smiled, and the music swelled around them. "The music is the ocean's heartbeat, Pippin. It is the rhythm that keeps us all connected, reminding us of our purpose and our place in this world." Pippin realized that he had found something profound, a connection to something greater than himself. He swam back to the surface, his heart filled with a new understanding. From that day on, Pippin carried the melody within him, a reminder of the ocean's heartbeat and the connections that bind us all. He leapt higher than ever before, the water shimmering with the echoes of the wisdom he had found. This is a story about the power of connection, the importance of listening, and the echoes that we leave behind as we move through life. Let us all remember to seek the heartbeat of the world, and to carry its rhythm within us.